Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Rishi. I am the student of class 8 and today I am here to deliver a speech of Independence Day. Today as we gather here to celebrate Independence Day, we remember the revenge, the sacrifice of our freedom fighter who fought against the British rule. He laid down their lives for freedom. We cheer today. It is the day to pay the home as the brave soul of freedom fighter. Independence Day is not just a holiday, it is the reminder of our duty with our nation. It is the reminder of value and contribution of our nation. As we young citizens, it becoming to our responsibility to uphold the value and contribution of this great nation. On this day, let's place. We respect every individual citizen of this nation. Be proud in India in every field. We like sports, education, science and technology. As we celebrate this day with joy and we build the India for best in future generation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.